everyone, I just want to share with you another journal that I've made. This one's a traveller's notebook, and I've used a digital kit from ARTYmaze, and it's called A Winter's Tale, and I will link that below. So you can get this in 3 different sizes: the normal journal size, the traveller's notebook, and I believe there is a little one that you can put in a little tin. So you will find these on our website, and like I said, that will be linked below. So I've kind of kept this one kind of looking blue and white with a little bit of vintage. So the front cover is this, it's kind of like a very light bluey grey coloured cardstock which has been sewn onto some white cardstock. I've used this image here from the kit, and it's sewn onto paper and fabric, and then down the bottom here there's a little snippet of fabric and it says A Winter's Tale. So let's do a flip. The images in this are just so lovely, very kind of frosty looking. So we have, this is a flip down, and you can flip it up and do some journaling there. And this is a little circle embellishment from the kit, and it's got an owl on there. There is some tags. They've all been backed onto white cardstock. This is actually a freebie on ARTYmaze's website, so if you go onto it and click at the top for freebies, you will find that on there. This tag, it's just got some eyelash trim, and again this one. We have some book page and writing paper, some inventory paper there, and this just all flips out and also flips out that way, so you can do lots of journaling. And it's got this really lovely postcard image here of the hare, and it goes that way. And obviously this is an envelope from the kit. I shouldn't have put that back in because I've got there's nothing, oh there is journaling card in there. So that goes there, and that pops back on there. And we have a large tag, and it's got some shimmer on it. I'm not sure if the camera picks it up. Excuse me. I made my own coffee shimmer using some micro powders. So we have a large tag here, a little tag, that's one of the freebies, and then this one is from the kit. And we've got this pocket here with one of the little embellishments, and then some bling here with a doily, and I think this was a card and I just cut it down, and some edge punching, lots of places to journal. We have a pocket here. I didn't do any stenciling on the pages because I wanted to kind of keep it that white frosty look. Just got some bling here, this has been stitched on. Another one of these little pull-outs. And this postcard here. There is another envelope here, and there's a journaling card inside there, and then this tag. And we have some pom-pom trim that I've glued. There we go. And then in the middle we just have some edge punching. Here we have a little tag, and this flips out, and this is just one of the pages that I've folded into a trifold. You can do lots of journaling on that. And that just paper clips on. Excuse me. Here is an envelope. There's nothing inside the envelope. It's a tall envelope from the kit because it was getting rather chunky. Another pocket here with some bling. Another freebie tag. Tags from the kit. Now I've got a little tin that I'm going to do the little, the tiny kit with, but my gesso, when I went to gesso it, my gesso has gone all funny, so I have to buy some more before I can do that. So there's 2 tags from the kit, so double pockets here, the large tag inside there, and we've just got a little snippet of crocheted material here and some bling. Another little flip out here, and I just put a little snippet there, and this is another fold out from one of the pages. These pages are also good to cut up into tags as well, and then you can work on the, you know, on the tags with some of the elements from the kit. We've got a flip out here and a book page, and we have some tags and a pocket there with some bling and one of the circles from the kit, and that is the back page. So as you can see, it is quite chunky. There's a lot in there and a lot of writing space as well. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. All the links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.